So Marcel, what kind of new toy did you buy yourself?
I didn't buy nothing.
It's a new wood chipper. All assembled, ready to go, but the hardest part was putting this ring together. This didn't come with any instructions, so we figured this out. It wasn't very difficult, but because it was all loose, you have to actually try to tighten up some of the nuts a little bit to hold it in place.
Don't seem to like that.
Here's the wood chips that it makes. We did corn stalks along with it just to shred them up. The chickens are absolutely loving that.
Yeah.
So that's our new toy, and we're going to be chipping some wood, probably not this fall, but maybe in the spring or something, not sure. Anyway, just wanted to show you this, guys, and until the next one, keep living the northern life. This unit Marcel built by himself, so handy. Thanks for watching Living the Northern Life. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our website. Remember to click subscribe, click that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up for the videos you like.